Cumulative tests. Units 1 to 5. Speaker 1.
I think by 2050 people will be healthier and live longer. Some genetic illnesses won't exist anymore, and robot technology will eliminate human error and make serious operations like transplants safer. Living longer is a good thing, but it also means there will be more old people in the world. So younger people will have to work harder and retire later to help support the elderly in our society.
Speaker 2.
When I was a kid, I used to read science fiction books that said intelligent computers would replace teachers. Children wouldn't have to go to school because they'd study on their computers at home. None of this has happened, and I don't think anything will change by 2050. We'll still have to go to school and listen to teachers and learn from books. Maybe some will be digital, but education won't be any different, really.
Speaker 3. In the future, I think everyone will wear clothes that they design themselves. They'll be able to create their own looks using design applications on the internet, or mix and match styles from history. Manufacturing will be streamlined and on demand, and people's original designs will be made for them in factories. They will then have their totally individual clothes delivered quickly to their homes. It will be so much better than shopping is now. Some people might still follow fashion, I suppose, but everyone will have the freedom to be totally original. Personally, I can't stand uniforms, and nowadays I think fashion dictates what everyone wears. I expect the future will be different. Speaker 4.
I've never been interested in speculating about how technology will affect us. When I think of the year 2050, I can see myself happily married to a nice man with 3 or 4 children. We'll live in a large house, have a garden and spend a lot of time together. Having said that, I'd quite fancy some robots to do the housework, especially the hoovering and ironing, because I hate doing those chores. Or maybe I'll just ask my husband. We'll see.
Speaker 5.
Trends that started at the beginning of the millennium will continue through to 2050. Mobile phones will become even more sophisticated. They'll replace our computers, TVs, books, even our doctors and teachers. The phones of the future will take your temperature and blood pressure, analyse symptoms to tell you if you're ill, and prescribe medication for less serious illnesses. They will also offer online courses at university, so you'll be able to get your degree through digital distance learning. The possibilities are endless.